Did you know that pandas, with their adorable faces and lumbering moves, can sneeze in quite a comical manner? When they get a little too excited, like when they see a bunch of bamboo, they'll let out a sneeze so loud that it echoes through the forest. One panda named Mei Shang in Washington, D.C., famously startled guests in the National Zoo when she let out a sneeze so powerful it sent her rolling backward off her favorite log. This silly reaction has become a delightful highlight for visitors, who often come just to hear her furry trumpet of joy. So next time you hear a loud sneeze while exploring the animal kingdom, just know it could be a panda celebrating their love for bamboo.